Welcome to Mijas, the whitewashed village situated within the mountain in the southern eastern part of Spain. Come, let's explore the village. Look at this church. It's a very small church here, and look at the mountains. So I'll zoom in here. It's at the other side of the sea from Malaga, and let me take you guys around. Look at this. It's really pretty, right? So let's come explore the village together. I'm really excited that I'm able to make it to this place. Yeah, so let's enjoy the city with me. Come with me. And one thing I am happy about coming here is, you know, when you are in the Malaga, you see the city life, but when you come here, it has another kind of view. It has another kind of, it gives you like another kind of relaxed feeling. So if you ever come to Malaga, try to come to Mijas and just enjoy. And if you love to hike, this is the place you need to be. And if you just want to have something different, you know, from the city and from, this is where you should come. All right. Can you see the view? Oh, look at that place. Look at this house here. Imagine I was living here. See how beautiful this place is. And look at the view. Can you see the view? This is a little cathedral, little church, small town church. It's so beautiful. Look at the stones. Isn't this beautiful? This is so magnificent. Like, I'm so happy to be here. So this is a little shopping area. They have a lot of letters here. I don't know if they produce letters. I've not looked it up, but I'll look it up later. So they have like a chocolate, Mijas chocolate here. Ah, now I get. Oh, look at this place. There is a restaurant, and this view is so nice. I think here, this is an hotel, and here you have restaurant, and look at this waterfall. The view here is so beautiful. Let me zoom in a bit. I really love this, their antique stuff. Look. This jewelry shop is so pretty. All these are handmade craft. Everything here is handmade. No, I want different too, but I want this is the same. I want to get jewelry, and she said it doesn't.
This is very nice.
It doesn't change color; it stays the same. So I'm trying to. Can you put this one? Let me see. Show my face.
No, they're not same anyway. They might be slightly different. Yeah, take it really nice.
Let me see. It's not too busy.
I put it smaller. You want? Yeah. I love this.
Does it look busy?
Depends on how you wear it. If it's just one thing. Why are you taking two?
I want to have.
Take a different one.
Okay.
You can take two of the
Which one should I
same.
take of this?
It's too much.
I can take the second one.
This one.
The second.
This.
Yeah.
Okay, take it off. It's got this too. She said it doesn't wear off. It stays the same for the rest of the year. So, yeah. It's this too. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Gracias. This door is so pretty. Oh my god. So this is a tiny street. There's a museum here. And you have little coffee bars around the street.